In this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the glitch effect to text here in Canva on the Canva mobile app. So once you have Canva on your device opened up, go to the bottom left here, press on the purple circle, add some text to your document. So I'm just going to go ahead to the bottom area, press on text, add a heading to my design. Since we are making the glitch effect here to text, I'll just type in the word glitch. I'll make it a little bit larger so that's easier to see. And there you go. Now, once that is done and you have some text that you want to add the glitch effect to, super simple, press on the text, slide this bottom bar all the way to the right to where it says effects. So right in between spacing and animate, press on effects right here. Then slide this to the right until you come across the glitch option right here. Press on glitch, press on it one more time. And now you can sort of play around with the colors, the offset, and the direction. So if you want to change the offset, you can do that. If you want to change the direction, you can kind of play around with it that way. And if you want to change the colors, you can go ahead and press on the colors right here and sort of change it to this purple and light blue, or this red and light blue option right here. You can exit out of that. And pretty much that is how you guys can add the glitch effect to text here in Canva on the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.